What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So this video was actually made on December 7th of 2025. I know it took a while to get edited, and I'm gonna hopefully upload it today, which today is the 18th, 19th. Let me check my calendar real quick. Today is Saturday the 20th. Saturday, December 20th of 25. And this video was actually made on December 7th. And I know it took a while to get uploaded, but it's finally uploaded, so here's the video. So enjoy the rest of the video. Good morning, and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today is December 7th of 2025. And we got a little special something today. So, as I just said, today is December 7th, which means weather is getting cold, which means frost on the vehicles, which means it's cold start season. So we are going to do some cold starts on our 2016 Dodge Ram 2500 with the 5.7, was it 5.9? It's the same as my truck over there. I think it's a 5.9 V8, I think. Same as that truck. It's got a 5.9 V8, and we're gonna be doing our Tahoe and our tractor over there. I think our tractor has a Cummins in it, so that cold start is probably gonna be wild. But we're gonna start off with this truck because it's the loudest out of all three. So I want you guys to be able to hear this the best because this thing sounds freaking insane. So with no more talking, let's just jump right into the video and start with some cold starts. Now, we did get this truck earlier this year. I made a video about it. I put it in the top left corner. But here's the key. One thing I like about this truck is it's got remote start. So you hit the lock button twice and the unlock button once. Or no, the lock button twice. Or, shit. Lock button 3 times and that starts it. So let's do it. Okay, so that was the startup of Sally. She sounds pretty freaking good. So now let's go do my truck, and then the Tahoe, and then the tractor, and then I might do a cold start on my four-wheeler. So yeah, I might do a cold start on my four-wheeler, so let's see. Now, with this truck being a 97, it doesn't have a remote start, so I gotta go start it by key. So yeah. smokes. She smokes very bad. God damn. Look at it compared to Sally over there. Just started, she's barely smoking. That's a little bit of smoke right there. That's it. I don't know what happened. I accidentally stopped recording, but holy cow, she is smoking like a chimney. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna have to go over here. Oh yeah, she is a I don't know how healthy that is. Interesting. Okay, now let's go do the Tahoe. Alright, this is our Tahoe. Okay, well, that was the Tahoe. So one thing I do want to do is put the heater on in the truck, because today is December 7th. I get my license at the end of the month. I get my license Christmas Eve. So it's going to be a big Christmas present, me getting my license. So that obviously would also mean that because I'm getting my license, I'm going to start driving to school too. So one thing I want to start to do is every couple days, see how long it takes for my truck for the defrost. See how long it takes for the defroster to fully clear the windshield. So like what I might do is I usually shower every morning. So what I might do is after I get out of the shower, before I get dressed, come out and start the truck and let it warm up, because it'll probably warm up for maybe 15 minutes or so. And but you can see it's actually starting to work right now. You can see right here. But yeah, this is a good running truck. It's only got 187,000 miles. And it runs good. There's no lights on it. Well, besides that light, that's just the windshield washer fluid. But it's got no lights on it. It runs good. Runs really good. And but yeah, I'm gonna start driving this baby to school. I'm gonna start driving to school coming up in January. So I literally get my license in less than a month, and I'm pumped. I'm excited. So we'll let this bad boy keep warming up. We'll let it keep warming up because I want to see how long it would take for it to defrost the full windshield. You can see it's working. So let's go cold start the tractor. The tractor, I'm pretty sure, has a wild cold start, which, yeah, I think the tractor's got a wild cold start. So let's go to the tractor. All right, so we're cold starting our tractor. I'm pretty sure this thing has a Cummins in it. I'm not exactly sure, but this thing has a wild cold start. Just listen, hold on. Gotta let the glow plugs warm up. Such a nasty cold start. Oh my god. So I think the tractor probably had the best cold start. What you guys saw next to the tractor, that was 2 push mowers and our Craftsman riding mower. Honestly, because it's winter time, so me and my buddy, we cleaned out the tractor shed and we were able to put a bunch of stuff in there because we recently cleaned out our garage, so that way I could fit both my 4-wheeler and our John Deere, which is our new riding mower that still runs. I'll do a cold start on that too. I'm gonna do a cold start on this and my dirt bike. If you guys seen that video where I washed my dirt bikes, it'll be in the video right here. I washed my dirt bikes and my Honda did sell. So when my Honda sold, I was able to pick up this and we're still waiting for that to sell. But we'll do a cold start on the quad and the John Deere. The Craftsman mower that's in the tractor shed, the starter died. Thankfully the starter, well, not thankfully, but it's a good thing the starter died after summer because we're done cutting grass. So it has all winter. It'll probably sit there. It'll probably end up sitting there all winter with a dead starter, and we're probably not even gonna get a starter till like spring, and then it's not gonna be ready, I guess. But the lawnmower is probably gonna sit there in a while. I gotta try and get a new starter for it. But let's cold start these two. All right, so I'm about to cold start this. All right. Okay. fucking smoky in there. But let's get my four-wheeler started. I turned off the four-wheeler so you guys can hear, or I turned off the lawnmower so you guys can hear my four-wheeler. Sounds pretty good. I think I'm gonna back them both out, and I think I'll back them both out. Oh yeah, quad's smoking a little bit now, but that's because it's cold. Basically everything's running. I think I'm gonna take a walk back over here to, yeah, lawnmower sounds good. But I think I'm gonna walk back over here to my truck just to see what the heat, the defrost is doing. Because as I start driving to school, I want to practice to see how long it would take so I can start the truck up at the right time and just let it go and defrost. So, it actually did pretty well. Same with the Tahoe. Okay, well, that's not bad. I did the Tahoe as well. Let's see. I put the heater on in Tahoe as well. Not bad. So I do have my coffee cup in there. Oh, the smoke definitely died down a little bit. So what I might just start doing is I leave, the bus picks me up at 7:04. So honestly, because I'm gonna be driving to school, I would want to leave early so I can get to the school, because I need to pay for parking at the school. So what I'll do is I'll probably start the truck, let's see, at maybe 6:45 and just let it run for 15 minutes with the defrost, and then that should be good. So I think that's the way I might do it. But everything's running. Sally's running, my truck's running, my sister's car's running, our tractor is running, which I think the tractor had the best cold start. It sounded good as hell. My four-wheeler started and running. Our John Deere mower is running. But basically everything's running. Too bad if I had the if I had the Craftsman battery, like if the Craftsman had a good starter, I'd start that too. I'm not sure if you guys want to see me do a cold start on the push mowers or not. If you do want me to do a cold start on the push mowers, let me know down in the comments and I'll do like a shorts. I'll do a shorts for it because there's only 2 push mowers and I'll start them. So if you guys want me to do a cold start on the push mowers, let me know down in the comments and I'll do a shorts for that. But basically everything's running and this is the video that I wanted to do, cold start on everything. So yeah, today's December 7th. Hopefully I'll get maybe a couple videos this month. Hopefully I'll get a couple videos this month because this is December now. So there's this thing going on. I think this is something going around called Vlogmas, which you try and post every day, but there's just not enough stuff around my area to post every day. So I'll try to get like maybe 2 or 3 videos out this month because I know I've been slacking a lot. You know, I post once a month to every other month, but there's just really not enough stuff going on around here to where I need to post. There's just not enough stuff around here. But I guess let me know down in the comments what you guys would maybe want to see me do. There is Christmas coming up, so I'll hopefully vlog for some Christmas. Oh, my uncle's also coming up from Virginia. He's bringing his 4-wheeler, and I just got my 4-wheeler a couple weeks ago. So me and him might go riding. So if you guys want me to do a video of me riding, me and him, I'll do a video. My uncle's not really into like social media like that. So if you guys want to see me do like any Christmas riding, let me know. And I don't have really like a GoPro, but whenever we go riding, I can film like when we stop and stuff like that. But and New Year's, I would like to do a New Year's live, like do a live stream on New Year's, but I don't know. I could try to do a live stream like on my phone. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do that or not, but I can try. And also, we're taking my truck down to get new tires and a heater because the heater is only blowing out through the defrost. I'm pretty sure it's the same for both the heater and AC, but the air is only blowing out through the windshield. You know, I turn the knob to blow out like down by my feet or like at my face, still blows out through the windshield. So at first we were thinking maybe it's like the actuator, the bleed door actuator or something like that. But then we took it to Maze Landing Auto, which is where we're gonna probably take my truck to get the tires and the heater fixed. And they were saying it might be some kind of hose or something like that. But I'll update you guys that. I'll update that. I'll probably make I'll either make a video about that or a short about it because I'm thinking about getting 2 different types of tires, which I'll talk about that in the shorts or video about the truck. But for now, this will probably be the end of this video. So please like, subscribe. Hopefully I'll get a couple videos out this month, maybe like 1 or 2, maybe 3. But hopefully I can get maybe a couple videos out, you know. It'd be nice if I could get maybe 1 video a week, maybe 2 videos a week, but we'll see what happens. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see. But that'll be the end of this video, so please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.